Boom! Google just unveiled two trailblazing innovations, Soundstorm and Gemini, with a promise to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. Let's first dive into the groundbreaking technology of Soundstorm. At its core, Soundstorm is an ingenious voice cloning technology that recreates voices with an uncanny degree of accuracy. Utilizing state-of-the-art machine learning techniques, it takes a mere 3 seconds of audio input to render a vocal imitation that's almost indistinguishable from the original. The technology is so refined that it's akin to having an audio twin or a vocal doppelganger. Soundstorm operates on the principles of augmented reality voices, learning from a vast database of recorded human voices. Its learning model is built on an intriguing set of data called the Liberty Speech Test Clean. This dataset, evoking images of lab-coated researchers conducting speech analysis, is an extensive collection of human voices uttering a wide range of phonetic elements. The technology analyzes these complex phonetic patterns, enabling it to generate vocal clones that accurately mirror the original voice's timbre, pitch, and cadence. Yet, the application of Soundstorm stretches far beyond mere replication of voices. Its true potential lies in the domain of high-quality voiceovers. Soundstorm can become the hidden voice behind captivating advertisements or the gripping narrative of audiobooks. It holds the potential to turn any layman's voice into the seductive lilt of an advertisement or the soul-stirring boom of a movie trailer. This breakthrough is, in essence, democratizing the world of voiceovers, rendering professional studio-quality audio accessible to anyone and everyone. Now, shifting our focus to Gemini, another of Google's AI prodigies. Gemini is an innovative document understanding and natural language processing tool that aims to redefine our interaction with text. In essence, it translates the sometimes confusing semantics of human language into a format that machines can easily understand. From academic researchers poring over lengthy articles to a business executive skimming through voluminous reports, Gemini serves as a bridge between dense, complex information and human comprehension. Like its voice clone counterpart Soundstorm, Gemini also employs advanced machine learning techniques to decode the labyrinth of human language. It is engineered to understand the context, make inferences, and even comprehend the subtle nuances and complexities of human language. In a world overwhelmed by an incessant flood of information, Gemini is a beacon, guiding us through the dense fog of data, turning indigestible information into comprehensible insights. As an AI-driven voice cloning technology, Soundstorm is undoubtedly a marvel. However, like all technological advancements, it's a double-edged sword, with potential uses that can be both constructive and destructive. On one hand, it can bring an unprecedented level of authenticity and personalization to the realm of voiceovers. But on the other hand, it also opens up possibilities for misuse, such as voice phishing scams. Unethical actors could theoretically use this technology to clone voices and use them for deceptive purposes, causing harm and distress to unsuspecting victims. In this context, the security aspect becomes a paramount concern. It raises the question of whether adequate security measures can be implemented to prevent such malicious misuses of this advanced technology. Similarly, the AI document understanding model, Gemini, also has its share of challenges. While it excels in digesting complex documents and delivering insights, it's not without its limitations. As powerful as AI has become, it still falls short in fully grasping the complexities and subtleties of human language, particularly when it comes to sarcasm, irony, or cultural nuances. While Google is certainly working on improving these aspects, it remains an ongoing challenge. It's important to note that as Gemini continues to evolve, it will need to balance its efficiency and accuracy against the need for understanding and preserving the richness and depth of human language. Now, let's examine how these two AI innovations compare with similar technologies in the market. Google's Soundstorm and Gemini are not the only players in the field. Other tech giants like ElevenLabs have also made strides in the voice cloning and language understanding space. However, it's crucial to note that despite the competition, Google's Soundstorm and Gemini have their unique strengths. Soundstorm's ability to generate an incredibly accurate vocal clone with just 3 seconds of audio input is a significant step up from similar technologies in the market. Likewise, Gemini's approach to document understanding, particularly its ability to break down complex data into comprehensible insights, puts it at a competitive advantage. The interplay of competition and collaboration among these two tech giants is a fascinating aspect to watch. Each breakthrough in one company could inspire innovations in another, fueling a cycle of progress that benefits the broader tech ecosystem. These innovations collectively push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, continually reshaping our digital landscape and setting the stage for an exciting future. Both Soundstorm and Gemini, while being groundbreaking, do raise important questions around security, privacy, and the preservation of the richness of human language. As we move forward, these are issues that both developers and users will need to grapple with, necessitating a careful balance between the exciting potential of these technologies and the ethical considerations that they bring to the fore. Navigating further into the narrative, we find ourselves contemplating the legal and ethical concerns stemming from these AI breakthroughs. The potential misuses of Soundstorm, for instance, make it necessary to question who should have the right to create voice clones. Should there be restrictions on its usage? Could legal frameworks mitigate risks without stifling innovation? Equally pressing are the privacy concerns around Gemini. As a document understanding system, Gemini has access to vast amounts of information, making it crucial to ensure that user data is handled with the utmost care and respect. A deep dive into these questions reveals that there's no easy answer. It's a tightrope walk between protecting user rights and fostering technological advancement. It calls for a well-rounded approach where technologists, legal experts, ethicists, and society at large engage in a dialogue to shape the norms and regulations surrounding these technologies. Creating a healthy ecosystem that supports innovation while safeguarding users' rights will be the cornerstone for the ethical deployment of these AI tools. So as we stand on the brink of this new AI frontier, how should we react to these groundbreaking tools? It's evident that the possibilities are both thrilling and daunting. AI's ability to emulate human voice and understand complex documents is truly transformative, signaling a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. But it's equally important to approach this new era with a keen awareness of the potential pitfalls and challenges. We must not lose sight of the human element, the unique nuances of our voices, the richness of our languages, and the sanctity of our privacy. Now, let's look to the future. As Google continues to refine Soundstorm and Gemini, these technologies are likely to become more integrated into our lives. Whether it's personalizing digital experiences or streamlining business processes, these AI tools will increasingly influence how we communicate, learn, and work. With this in mind, our responsibility as users becomes clear: to stay informed, to ask tough questions, and to engage in the discourse shaping the future of AI. In conclusion, Google's Soundstorm and Gemini are more than just products. They are potent reminders of the potential of AI, heralding a future brimming with possibilities and challenges. As we continue this exploration, we are called upon not just to marvel at these AI innovations, but also to actively engage in shaping the rules, norms, and ethics guiding their use. By doing so, we can ensure that AI serves us as a tool for progress, rather than leading us into unforeseen pitfalls. Remember, it's not just about adopting technology, it's about adapting to it with our eyes wide open.